So in order to define your own subsets of sessions, there we provide the limit application. If you can go there directly, or if we are back on the home page, limit is number 2. So the limit application for ABCD allows you to reduce the number of participants that are part of any analysis that you want to run. So you can select groups of participants and then run a sub-analysis. If you go in this interface to the drop-down, you can see the different predefined subsets, and selecting any one of them, like all subjects, will give you a graphical representation of the participants. In this case, we have these small icons representing each of the participants. And the subset was defined here as has age, which is a calculation done in this subsetting application. Basically, everybody who has an age variable is part of the group all subjects. If I select more restrictive subsets like females only, the calculation done here is sex equals F, which is the factor level for the sex variable. And you can then see there are 2 different groups displayed. One on the left for which the expression is true, so those are all the females. And on the right, you can also see the participants, how many there are, for which the expression is false. So in this case, there is only male or female, but any like missing values would also be displayed in the nay side of the graph. So
and you can edit that directly if you want, like if you wanted to switch it to just males.
So the text here is editable, and you can press the Enter key, and then they switch sides. In this case, if you want to keep this, you can say save on the top right, and then you can give it a different name. And save this again. And this is now an additional choice that shows up for the currently logged in user. So in this case, females only is in the public set, and males only is in my personal set. And that's now the same change. If you want to see a very complex one, you can go down the list, 10-year-old males, an example of the syntax. It's like 1,200 participants that fall under this category. Age on Ender is in months. So if you're wondering why age greater than 120 is entered. We also provide quality subsets based on quality metrics on imaging. So a simple one is, which participant has So we also provide features based on imaging measures. So you can see here that there are recommended sets for T1 weighted or T2 weighted image measures. All of them, you can change them, and you can, if you go back to the analysis application, they will appear in the subsetting menu. And in this case, you can make your analysis then specific to males only.